How to fix a grainy camera simplified step by step. To fix a grainy camera, start by understanding that graininess is often caused by low light conditions or a camera's high ISO settings. The first step is to adjust your camera settings to prioritize better image quality. Begin by lowering the ISO, as higher ISOs introduce more noise into your images. Next, adjust the aperture to let more light into the lens, which will also help reduce grain. Another key factor is the shutter speed. Slower shutter speeds can cause blur, but in low light conditions, it may be necessary to achieve a brighter image. Consider using a tripod to stabilize the camera and prevent camera shake, which can exacerbate graininess. Additionally, using the camera's noise reduction feature can help minimize grain in your images. In post-processing, using photo editing software to apply noise reduction filters can further improve image quality. It is also important to ensure your camera lens is clean and free of smudges or dirt, as this can affect image quality. By following these steps, you can significantly improve your camera's image quality and reduce graininess. Remember, practice makes perfect, so experiment with different settings to find what works best for your camera and shooting style. By taking the time to understand and adjust your camera settings, you can capture high-quality images even in challenging lighting conditions.